What do you as a person bring to this development group?
For me, customer come first. I do discuss with them what they have requirement, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, and I used to support them as per them requirements, as well as before entering them house. So we used to tell them if this is going to come. So if the government authority is going to make delay some asphalting roads or anything from the government side, we used to do development from our side and we used to help the clients.
Did that not impact your profits?
If the profit come less also, my client should be happy.
So what is your success mantra?
My success mantra, I do work hard. I want to deliver my all projects on time, as well as whenever I used to take the housing loan for construction time, project loan, before the time I used to close that loan, and before the on time I need to deliver all my projects to my consumers.
So that your vendors are happy, your financiers are happy and your consumers are happy.
Everybody will happy, madam.
Quality assurance, customer convenience, financial discipline and integrity. Kashinath explains his success mantra. Sir, 5 Elements has been building within city limits. Why is that?
So we do have projects, maximum projects in South Bangalore. So whichever we had built the last 1 decade, maximum projects we build in the South Bangalore, because to access ring roads easily and office spaces, as well as nice roads and upcoming metro stations, as well as previous projects wherever we build, it's all connectivity to in the city limits itself.
And close to the metro station?
Close to the metro, and which are the projects are coming, those all projects are very close to the metro.
Are there any special features for end users?
Yeah, wherever we build the apartments last some decades, up to 30 lakhs to 1.5 crore, even 30 lakhs budget flats also, we have done some basic amenities like play area, gardening and walking space entire the premises. So, and which are the projects now coming, there even the open space more, and we are giving some facilities for senior citizens like outdoor gyms, as well as for ladies also we are building in-house the project gym with complete equipments, and more amenities we are building.
Basically upgrading the quality of life.
Yes madam, every day by day we are upgrading the quality.
So you build up to 50% of your project and then start selling. What is the philosophy behind this?
The philosophy behind this, I do not trust and believe the pre-launches. So before starting the project, we take the project loan, we put our own money as well as project loan funding, we construct 50% of the apartment, then we allow to see the consumers, then we launch the project, then they also have some comfortable, the project is also going to finish on time, as well as they can, when they are investing lakhs together, let them come and have a see them where the house is coming, what is the view, instead of seeing the brochure and instead of seeing the physical, there is lot of difference. So this benefits we are giving customers only, and we whatever the money is going to come from the consumers, we do repay the money to the bank. The project also finish on time and consumer also get on time, and we also be happy.
So when you build for end users, how do you ensure timeliness and quality?
The quality we have in-house, because we do supervisor all in-house only, and we do test before starting the project. We'll decide what materials we should use the project, whatever it is, either wood, cement, blocks, plumbing lines, fittings, fixtures, bathroom fittings, paintings, electrical wiring, entire things we do test, outsource, and we once we get some whatever material we are using for the construction, we used to get ISS certificate materials only we are using. Once we get from the outsourced agency, which are the quality we are maintaining, it's a good and substitutable in the long term. Some of those things we are using in the apartment.
The last couple of years, you've seen so many dramatic policy changes. What has been the impact of policy on your developments?
the impact of policies anyway, since the beginning we are maintaining and following the rules, regulations, either BBMP from government. As of now, this recently it has come to the GST and the RERA. So these all have come from the consumers can see visibly what is happening, and they also should know the clear things in the market what is happening. Even the consumers money also save in the RERA. As per the RERA, we have to maintain the fund in the escrow account. The fund will not divert anywhere. Whatever project consumers are investing, the money is utilizing on the project only. The money is not going to divert other side. And whatever we are getting the benefits from the GST, the GST we are going to give even our consumers also more benefits.
Have you started giving that back to the consumer?
Since a year already we started.
And how does that impact the consumer in terms of confidence in the developer?
Confidence means that transferable. Transparency, they can see the GST, what we are charging them, and what government and whatever the inputs we are getting from the materials, building materials, the maximum inputs we are giving to the clients.
Right.
And we are giving good benefits to all our consumers.
Right. Thank you, sir.
The thing that I love about the builder, or we love about the builder, is the way they have laid out their houses. We get complete privacy whenever we require. We also have proper, the layout of the houses. All the apartments that we have seen from 5 Elements, they have a very good layout, and everything has a proper place to it, and the pricing is pretty good, and the locality that they select for their apartments is just very nice. It is easy to connect to any part of the city, even, and not just that, even the thing is, you live in the city but you don't feel like you're living in the city because it is so quiet, and you always want to come back to your home from office because you just love the place that you are living in. So that was the thing. And one more thing that we loved about the builder was he's very frank. He'll tell you everything very truly, and there's some sort of trust that you automatically get when you talk to the builder that we have not observed with any other builders. You'll always have that one thing in mind, what if whatever the builder is saying is not true, but here we never felt that. Whatever he said, he saw to it that he met all his promises. Even after buying the flat, his after sale services are pretty good, and I would definitely recommend this to my all my friends. My parents already want to invest here, so we are just looking forward to what can be done.
5 Elements Realty, they're very transparent. They give what they promise, whether it's a construction quality, or whether it's the teak they promise in the buildings, or whether it's the flooring and the granite promising they give. And it's just a 5 Elements Realty property that we have invested to any other developers in the market.
And the recent implications from the government. For 5 Elements, there is no much impact, and it is good for each and every end-use customers. They can go through the websites, they can go through the project names, everything, and RERA registrations. Based on it, they can buy the properties. Of course, like when we compare to 5 Elements is complete. All projects are RERA registered. There is no deviations at all. Yeah. See, with respect to GST, when the GST is implemented in India, that was a completely new to each and every customer. Earlier, I see so many people, they had a doubt whether we are paying this service tax and VAT to the governments or not. But now they can access through online whether we paid it or not. Each and every customer, they can go to it. It's a clear, 100% transparent for end users. Earlier, so many customers used to ask they used to ask the returns and all, whether it has been paid or not. Now there is no such kind of questions, since everyone knows that it is an online thing, it's systematized, and they can access each and every rupee what we pay to the government. So GST is one of the good move from the Indian government.
See, brand is, most important is the customers are looking at the prime location where the project is located and how easily it is connected with the other facilities in the city. Plus also it should be approved by the respective authorities, so that there will be a guarantee, yes, what the customer is buying, is having trust on them, and superior specifications and the quality what we deliver. These are the main elements which we have to focus when we are targeting for the marketing of the property.
7 years back I met sir in KSFC Bank. So on that day he has given one 10,000 rupees notice ad. So from there, so I have done close together business with him. I have a good relationship with him. So and we are giving the service for all print media advertisements, property expos, TV and radio channels advertisements. All these things we are doing. We don't have any problem with him. So we have good experience with him. So we are keeping good relationship with Kashinath sir. And we are growing with 5 Elements.
We can recommend 5 Elements Realty projects because their projects are in very good locality and legal wise very clear documents, OC and CC registered, certified documents, and RERA registered if it's in under construction projects, and our connectivity is also very good to their projects. Post sales also 5 Elements Realty is good, giving good maintenance for the clients who have purchased home from them. From that we are getting good references from the old buyers also. So as per that 5 Elements Realty, whoever buys the home in 5 Elements Realty, they will keep good relationship with 5 Elements Realty forever. Mainly IT professionals are preferring their projects because all their projects are good connectivity with the roads and nearby to the IT companies, and people aged between 30 to 50 are buying their projects, and mainly for own use 70%, 30% will look for investment purpose also, and 5 Elements Realty is helping out with them also, letting them for rent